Last week at this time, Coach Chutt backed Weed and said he's the guy. This week, the door is kind of open that there could be a change. Does that surprise you to hear that? Do you think that should be an option?
Right, that's out of my control. I have that's not my decision to make. I have confidence in Brandon, 100% confidence, and he's a tough guy. He'll hang in there, and I know whoever they pick will be ready to play. And like I said, confidence in whoever they choose, and I'm backing whatever their decision is.
Jordan, Coach talked a little bit about some missed opportunities, missed plays, and things of that nature. Where are you guys at from a mental standpoint, when, especially early in the game, when those opportunities are there and you're not able to cash in on them, and then it just kind of seems to snowball a little bit early?
It's just disappointing. You're given few opportunities in the game, and when those opportunities arise, you got to take advantage of them, because in the NFL they don't come often, and we just got to capitalize on those plays.
How do you think the team will handle it or respond if he does make a change at quarterback?
I think like we've always been handling things. We come closer together. We kind of trust in where this organization is going, and we're resilient, and we just keep fighting.
Are you guys 100% confident, though, if Brandon does play Sunday, that you can go out there and you can win and put points on the board and be productive and do all those things that you want to do as an offense?
100%.
Jordan, do you think another spark like the one Hoyer brought is possible to achieve for the offense?
Yeah, I mean, we just got to, just like I said, capitalize on the plays when they're out there. And I think that's the main thing, is getting better from week to week. And there's plays out there, we just got to make them.
Making plays is contagious. Is not making plays contagious also?
I mean, you can get into a rhythm, and it's just peaks and valleys in the game. It's not always good. It's not always bad. We just kind of weather the storm when those bad plays happen, and just we need someone to come up, step up, and make a play and get things going.
Why does the offense look so night and day different when you look at and I'm not trying to pick on anyone, but when you looked at when Brian was in there versus when Brandon is in there, it feels like a night and day difference. Is that an accurate perception? And if it is, why do you think that is?
I mean, we haven't really put together a full game. I think Brandon had a good second half. We did some good things, and I wouldn't say it's just one of those things, the way that we're playing. I mean, maybe our rhythm is a little off here and there, but it's hard to say that. I think it's tough because in the NFL, the pressure, they put so much, the defense to give different looks, and it's just the way the games work out sometimes. But like I said, I have 100% confidence in Brandon and what he's doing, and he'll be fine. He's a tough guy, and we're backing him now.
How do you guys feel about Jason? I mean, if they throw Jason in there, do you feel like you have confidence in timing?
Same thing. It's just we believe in what they're doing, and we trust the decision that they're making.